What's up guys, and thanks for tuning into Lenko Recommendations. In this video, we're going to show you the top 5 best DSLR cameras of 2023 that you can get right now. These cameras are perfect for any level of photography or videography, and they offer incredible quality and performance. We've researched and compared dozens of models to find the best ones for you, and we'll explain what makes them stand out. Before we start, we want to let you know that as an Amazon associate we earn from qualifying purchases. This means that if you use the links in the description to buy any of the products, we may get a small commission that supports our channel. It won't affect the price you pay at all. And if you want to see more details and specs of each product, just follow the links in the description. Okay, let's get started with the top 5 best DSLR cameras of 2023. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is a great camera for beginners who want to learn photography and video. It has a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and a Digic 8 processor that deliver excellent image quality and fast autofocus performance. It also has a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen display that makes it easy to compose shots from different angles and control the camera settings. The camera has a simple but effective control layout and a guide mode that helps you choose the right settings for different situations. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth that let you transfer your photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet wirelessly. The camera supports 4K video, but it has some drawbacks. The 4K video mode has a heavy crop and choppy focus, which makes it hard to capture moving subjects or wide-angle shots. The 1080p video mode is better, as it has smooth autofocus and external mic support. The camera has good dynamic range, but it struggles in some areas. The shooting FPS is adequate for beginners, but not for action photography. The camera also has only 9 AF points in viewfinder shooting, which limits your focus options. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is a great entry-level DSLR camera that is perfect for beginners who want a compact, easy-to-use and versatile camera. However, it is not as capable as some mirrorless alternatives or more advanced DSLRs when it comes to 4K video, autofocus and action photography. Number 4. Nikon D780. The D780 has a 24.5 MP full-frame sensor with on-sensor phase detection, which means it can focus quickly and accurately in live view and video mode. It can also shoot 12 frames per second in live view and uncropped 4K video at 30 FPS, which is impressive for a DSLR. The D780 also has a 51-point AF module with a 180,000 pixel RGB metering sensor, which gives it reliable autofocus performance in viewfinder mode. It has a 3.2-inch touchscreen that lets you adjust settings and review images easily. It also has dual UHS-2 SD card slots, 10-bit video output over HDMI, Snap Bridge Bluetooth and Wi-Fi system, and a long battery life of 2,260 shots per charge. The D780 does have some drawbacks though. It has no built-in flash, which may limit your lighting options in some situations. It also has no vertical grip contacts, which means you can't use a battery grip to extend your shooting time or improve your handling. Overall, the D780 is a versatile and powerful camera that offers a lot of features for both stills and video shooters. It is a great option for anyone who wants a DSLR that can also perform like a mirrorless camera. Number 3. Pentax K1 Mark II. The Pentax K1 Mark II has a 36.4 MP sensor with no anti-aliasing filter, which means it can capture stunning details and sharpness. It also has a 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization system, which can reduce camera shake and enable handheld shooting in low light. The K1 Mark II also has a unique feature called Pixel Shift Resolution, which can combine 4 images into one to increase resolution and color accuracy. The K1 Mark II has a rugged and weather-sealed body, with a 100% pentaprism viewfinder and a 3.2-inch vari-angle LCD screen. It has a 33-point autofocus system with 25 cross-type points and an improved AF tracking algorithm. It can shoot up to 4.4 frames per second in full-frame mode or 6.5 frames per second in APS-C crop mode. It can also record full HD video at up to 30p. The K1 Mark II has some other cool features, such as built-in GPS with electromagnetic compass and Astra tracer function, which can help you capture amazing star trails and night sky photos. It also has LED lights on the body, which can help you change settings or swap lenses in the dark. In conclusion, the Pentax K1 Mark II is a great camera for landscape and adventure photographers who value image quality, durability, and versatility. It may not have the best video features or the fastest burst speed, but it has a lot of unique and useful features that make it stand out from the crowd. Number 2. Nikon D850. The D850 has a 45.7 MP backside illuminated CMOS sensor that delivers stunning image quality and detail. It has no anti-aliasing filter, so you can capture the finest textures and patterns without any more. The sensor also has a wide dynamic range and low noise performance, making it ideal for shooting in any lighting condition. The D850 is not only a high-resolution beast, but also a speed demon. It can shoot up to 7 frames per second at full resolution, or 9 frames per second with the optional battery grip and ENEL18B battery. The buffer capacity is impressive too, allowing you to shoot up to 51 uncompressed 14-bit RAW files in a burst. The autofocus system is fast and accurate, with 153 points covering most of the frame. The metering system is also linked to the AF system, ensuring optimal exposure and focus tracking. The D850 is also a great camera for video enthusiasts. It can record 4K video at up to 30p from the full sensor width, or crop to DX mode for extra reach. It can also record 1080p video at up to 120p for slow motion effects. The video quality is superb, with high detail and low noise. You can also output uncompressed 4:2:2 8-bit video to an external recorder via HDMI while recording to the card. The D850 has many other features that make it a joy to use, such as a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, illuminated controls, snap bridge connectivity, advanced time-lapse options, and a weather-sealed body. The battery life is also excellent, rated at 1,840 shots per charge. The Nikon D850 is truly a remarkable camera that can handle any situation and deliver amazing results. Whether you are into landscapes, portraits, weddings, sports, wildlife, or anything in between, the D850 will not disappoint you. Number 1. Canon EOS 1DX Mark III. The EOS 1DX Mark III has a 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor with dual pixel AF, which means it can focus quickly and accurately on any subject, even in low light. It also has a Digic X processor, which is Canon's most powerful image processor ever. It enables the camera to shoot up to 16 frames per second with the optical viewfinder, or 20 frames per second with the live view mode. That's incredible for capturing fast action and fleeting moments. But that's not all. The EOS 1DX Mark III also has some amazing video capabilities. It can record 5.5K RAW video at 60 frames per second, or 4K video at 60 frames per second with 10-bit color and HDR support. That means you can get stunning cinematic footage with high dynamic range and rich colors. And with dual CF Express card slots, you can store all that data without worrying about running out of space. The EOS 1DX Mark III is also built like a tank. It has a magnesium alloy body that is weather-sealed and dust-proof. It has a shutter that is rated to 500,000 shots, and a battery that can last for up to 2,850 shots per charge. It also has a new mirror mechanism that reduces vibration and blackout, and a new AF smart controller that lets you adjust the focus point with a touch of your thumb. The EOS 1DX Mark III is truly a remarkable camera that can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you are shooting sports, wildlife, weddings, events, or anything else, this camera will deliver the results you need. It is the ultimate DSLR for professionals who demand the best. That's it for our top 5 best DSLR cameras of 2023. We hope you had fun watching this video and got some valuable information. If you did, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or opinions about these cameras or any other gadgets and gear, just let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Lenko Recommendations, where we give you the best advice and tips on gadgets and gear. We have more amazing videos coming soon, so make sure you click the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.